L.A., L.A., L.A. I am in Los Angeles, and there's a mystery here. No, it's something a little more sinister. It's hiding in the shadows, but often in plain sight. I'm talking about... Oh, wait. I need to back up for just a minute. Why am I in Los Angeles? Why did I get in a lift in the rain back in New York and go all the way to JFK, which is surely on no one's top 10 scenic drives list? Why did I spend an hour online at TSA, where the average age of the agents was about 13 years old? Why did I spend 5 hours on a flight from here to here? For the sunshine? Yeah, sure, yeah. For the cuisine? Yeah, maybe, a little bit of that too. But mainly for this. This is my daughter, and she recently moved from here to here. And just like any nosy, good dad, I planned the quickest coast-to-coast trip possible. 2 nights in LA. That's all you're getting. So I'm here to check up on, that. And that's where my story starts. The evening I arrived. Shauna came to have a late dinner with me, and after I got her in a car back to her place, that's when I began to notice it. At first I thought it was the wind or maybe somebody having a conversation around the corner, but when I looked, there was nobody there. The next morning, Saturday, I got up early according to LA time. I had a couple of hours to kill before I was going to meet up with Shauna, so I decided to go for an urban hike into downtown LA. This would be the beginning of a fateful adventure. The feeling of being watched began almost as soon as I left the hotel and began my expedition from Koreatown. And I did run into some very interesting people and things along the way, like this nice guy who was cooking his pork on the sidewalk. And still, with all of the distractions, I felt as if they, or it, or something was about to jump out at me. And then I saw it. Sometimes they were blue, but usually they're green. The little wheels and long handles are the telltale sign that you're dealing with zombie scooters. Green, blue, and kind of sticky to the touch, these soulless ghouls lurk around just about every corner in this fair city. And look, now that I've Googled it, I'm aware that the scooters are a big problem here in Los Angeles, even bigger than in New York, where they are around but mostly stick to the bike lanes. Do have City Bike, which is very popular, but those you have to return to the charging station, otherwise you get charged, The zombie scooter, the sad zombie scooters are left by the side of the road to wait. But wait for what? It would seem that Los Angelinos have gone barbarian in their methods to rid their streets of the ever-encroaching lowest common denominator form of transportation. So as I continue my journey into the depths of Los Angeles, I kept up my guard. Walking on Wilshire Boulevard with MacArthur Park on either side of me, I see the flock of birds flying, and I'm reminded of the scooters. Why? I'm not exactly sure, probably because they've been on my mind all morning. And then, finally, after what will be remembered as an epic urban hike, I crossed the world-famous 110 highway and entered the fabled City of Angels. But when I met up with Shauna, we saw some very cool stuff. We met up with her friend Christian at the last bookstore. We hung out there for a little while. And then we went into Little Tokyo and did some browsing in the toy district while we were there. And of course, we checked out the Bradbury building and some of the other interesting buildings in the area. The next day it was brunch at Millie's in Sunset Park, and then helicopters everywhere. Helicopters in the air, scooters on the sidewalk. What is up with Los Angeles? And then it was time to come home. I had a great visit in LA. I hope to get out there again very, very soon.